which is continuing to see improvement, not just here, but in the US as well after last week's sell-off. Anuj, morning.
Morning, Prashant. And you know what? This strategy of just buying the dips because of global worries and geopolitics always works. And this time as well, it's worked. Even the global markets, as you said, have started to recover now from those geopolitical concerns. And our market, as always, was the first to recover. It started recovering last Friday. And since then, it's been one way up. And I guess a large part of that is because of the domestic equity cult that we have. People are not scared anymore of global cues, and every dip is used as a buying opportunity. So maybe that's really helping our market. Now, keep in mind today's Bank Nifty's monthly expiry and tomorrow's Nifty. So let me go through the numbers to watch out for. On the Nifty, the first resistance is where we are likely to open 22,450 to 22,535 based on the option zone, and bigger resistance is 22,700 to 22,800, the all-time high zone. Support is at 22,310 to 22,322, where the two most crucial levels are placed, the 10 and 20-day exponential moving average, and then 22,150 to 22,200, which is where last time we took big support, 50-day exponential moving average. On the Bank Nifty, it's been my view that it's better to approach individual banking stocks than the index, because the index is again getting impacted because of HDFC Bank's behavior of late. Even yesterday it closed almost at day's low, so it's going through another time correction. Also, it's monthly expiry on the Bank Nifty, so you want to respect the option writers range, and the option writers range is 47,700 to 48,300. For today's quote of the day, it's obviously none other than Sachin Tendulkar, the person who has touched almost every life in last 30 years. It's his birthday today. So first of all, happy 51st birthday to Sachin Tendulkar. This is a quote which really inspires me. People will throw stones at you. You convert them into milestones.
Okay, well, happy birthday, Sachin Tendulkar, right? Lots to learn from him, his career and, of course, his life lessons as well.
Anuj, which is the best innings of Sachin that you watched?
Chennai, without a doubt. I know we lost that match against Pakistan, yes. But you know, if only we had just gotten over that hump, it would have been like perhaps the greatest test win of all time. Obviously, Sharjah comes to mind because you know, that's where the back-to-back winnings, that the dust storm. I think that's when everyone will remember. All of us, you know, Tony Greig's commentary, that stadium atmosphere, all of that. I think, you know, today's generation talks about Dhoni, Virat Kohli and all, but you know, the 80s and 90s kids will know nobody will ever come close to Sachin.
You know, talking about Tony Greig's commentary, Anuj, as you went through that piece, goosebumps yet again. You know, the desert storm so many years ago made us love cricket and the god of cricket. So happy birthday, Sachin.
You know, fun fact, I grew up in Sharjah and I actually went and saw that match in the Sharjah stadium. And at that point in time, people used to not only sit in the stadium, but they used to also sit in the gardens around.
You would have been very young.
Yeah. So my parents saw that match and took me along with them. Okay, Anuj, thanks a lot for joining in, and happy birthday to Sachin Tendulkar. Lots to celebrate here. Let's take a quick break. On the other side of the break, Mitesh Thakkar, Sudarshan Sukhani will join in for a technical check of the market.